This is a 2-package outdoor light fixture. We're going to hang it up, both of them, show you what it looks like. Let's show you what's inside the box, how easy it is to assemble, and get right to it. Very well packaged, protected is your light fixture. You have your hardware, 2 kits, the little instruction guide, your lantern, ×2. Now they protect it very well indeed. You have your brackets on the back. You have on the side over here your screws. And in the hardware kit you got your thumb bolts. You have in the hardware the thumb bolts to the bracket that locks down the unit. This is not glass. You supply your own bulb, a maximum of 100 watts. It is a black finish, and you hang it up on your front door, your side of the house, back of the house, wherever you need light. For my demonstration purposes, I'm going to be hanging up both fixtures, outdoor fixtures, side by side, and I am going to show you how to hook this bracket up. There is a special way of doing this in case it's cockeyed, and you're able to adjust it like so. So this way you can level it, and then you tighten this up. And now you're perfect. I like to take my ground, I like to loosen it, and I like to wrap my lead around it a couple of times. This allows me to hands-free work with my unit. We take our neutral, we twist together, and we put a wire nut on. When all your leads are tucked in, you're going to take the thumb bolt and you're going to place on. The wall lantern hung up, got a nice large door, you put 2 on there. You put some warm Kelvin bulbs, and gives a beautiful glow and accent to the property. Beautiful for the storefront, restaurant, backyard, patio, wherever you need to put light. Ever need to change the bulb out? Just grab him, put a new bulb in. Light fixtures for your house, dress them up and decorate. I hope this is a product you may be looking for. A 2-pack outdoor lantern set. Bulbs are not included. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.